Hello everyone. In this training, we're going to show you how to edit and update your direct deposit information. Now, starting on your home page, there's a lot of different ways that you can navigate to your direct deposit, but the easiest way is just going to be going through your quick links. So it's a little bit confusing because there are two scrolls. So you need to scroll down on the main page, and then you need to scroll down within quick links, and that will take you to My Pay, and under My Pay, you have direct deposits. Now, because this is a test account, there are no direct deposits set up in here. Likely you will have a direct deposit set up previously from doing your checklists. But if you don't, you can just come over here and click Add. Now, there's important things to point out if you were making a change, such as adding another bank or splitting, if you wanted part of your check to go into your savings and part into your checking account, that's where you would do the calculation amount. And then you could do a percentage, a flat amount, a remaining percentage of the net pay, whatever you want. And then you can change it between your checking and your savings. So if you were adding a savings account and then you wanted the remainder going in, that would help you do that. The other way that you can also access your direct deposits from the home page is to just come up here and type in direct deposit. So very easy. You will be taken right to that same exact page. And the last thing is that you can come up here and you can go to My Info, and then under My Pay, direct deposits is also another way to access that. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the HR team, and we hope this has been informative.